Okay, today's experiment. Is it hot enough to fry an egg in Texas? So, I'll go up here. I got the skillet out here on the road. It's 104 degrees. You can see the road, 149. Skillet about 141. We'll give this a shot. So, crack our egg. Okay, it is 4:44. We'll come back and look. Let's see if you can fry an egg in Texas. All right, we're going to check on our science experiment, and yeah, my favorite pan got run over. Well, shucks. Well, there's the egg. Definitely dried up. Gosh, I had it on the edge of the road. Well, shucks. What's our temperature on the road? 147. Well, yeah, wow. Threw the egg all the way over here. Well, it's definitely cooked. Dried up, I guess, is a better word for it. Okay, well. Shucks. I love this pan. It's what I cook my single egg for my breakfast tacos in each morning. Oh well, it's my fault. Stuck it in the roadway. It's gonna happen. Okay, well, that was a failure. Yeah, he missed the shell because it's off the road. All right, well, I think we're gonna have 100+ degree days continuing, so maybe we can try this experiment again, just to maybe in a safer location. For now, it's Ed, Texas Steaks. Take care, y'all.